be starting with manuals first. Manuals is a very important part because everything that you need to know about and anything that you need to refer about your abnormals, normal procedure systems is given in your manuals. We have FCOM, that is Flight Crew Operating Manual. We have FCTM, that is Flight Crew Techniques Manual. We have QRH, that is Quick Reference Handbook. We have MEL, that is Minimum Equipment List. And we have AFM, that is Airplane Flight Manual. So let's go through FCOM first. What is FCOM? So you are aware about the full form, Flight Crew Operating Manual. All right. So Flight Crew Operating Manual is a support document for flight crew. What is the purpose of FCOM? It provides all necessary operating limitations, procedures, performance, and system information that the flight crew needs to safely and efficiently operate A320 family aircraft during normal, abnormal, and emergency situations. It served directly as flight crew operating manual or as a basis for operators to develop their own customized airline operations manual in accordance with applicable requirements. It serves as comprehensive reference guide during initial and refresher flight crew training. FCOM complements the airplane flight manual. If the FCOM data differs from the AFM data, the AFM remains the reference. As a supplement to the FCOM, the FCTM may provide additional information that the flight crew should read in conjunction with the FCOM. All right. Now let me just show you how FCOM looks and how to navigate. So this is what is important, how to navigate at your stage. So it flight crew operating manual. So it contains all these things. First is the general information, the aircraft systems. So we have got all these ATA chapters. All the systems that you have in your A320 is given in this FCOM. All the system description that comes under aircraft system. Then we have the procedures. So normal procedures include the standard operating procedures, standard callouts, how to operate normally. First, you have to learn how to operate the system normally, then you'll go to abnormals, right? So this is what is relevant to you at this point of time. First is normal procedures. Then when you are well versed with this, we'll go to abnormal and emergency procedures. So like you have got various systems, electrics, engines, flight controls. Anything can go wrong in any system. So for every system, they have a detailed explanation, detailed guide for abnormal procedures for that system. What is the procedure for that? So that is given in this part. All right. So this is for the procedures. And then comes the limitations. So remember in your Cessna, you used to have limitations of the aircraft. So just like that, A320 limitations you should be aware about before flying the aircraft. You should be well versed with the limitations of the aircraft. So what it is capable of and what are the limitations in all right that what is the environmental envelope, okay, what is the highest altitude that it can fly, its range, all right. Then we have what is the nominal runway width required, maximum tail width for landing. So these are all the limitations. I'll let you know how to go through it. All right. So this is the limitation part. And then we have temporary abnormal behaviors and performance. So for now, we won't go into all these things, temporary abnormal behavior and performance. We'll stick to what is important for you right now. So this is what I have already shown, that it has got four sections. That is aircraft systems, ATA, Air Transport Association chapters. That explains all the systems. Then we have procedures, abnormal and emergency procedures, which is time limit, and then normal procedures. Normal procedures, it include the standard operating procedures, the supplementary procedures, and the system related procedure. So procedures will be your Bible. This is what you have from the start. Okay. And then we have supplementary procedures, which is not a routine procedures that we have to read and do. That also we'll go through it at the appropriate time. Then limitations is already I have brief system limitations that the flight crew must know or refer to in operations. Then the performance, this section includes the performance computation description for each flight phase.